Welcome back. In this video I will show you how to insert summation symbol in PPT slide. This is pretty simple and easy. Let's get started. For this you need to click on insert and click on the text box and draw a text box and change the sound size to 44 so it can be easily visible, and then again go to the insert and click on the equation. Click on the insert new equation and then in the symbols group click on this drop down menu and change the basic math to the operators, and here in the basic NARY operators you will see that summation symbol. You just need to click to insert it. Another way is that you need to hold down the Alt key and on the numeric side keypad you need to press 2, 2, 8 and release the Alt key, and here it is. Another way is that you need to press the Alt key and plus sign, and equation editor box will be open up. You need to type the slash and type SUM and hit the space bar. It will instantly convert to the summation symbol. So with this way you can easily insert summation symbol in PPT slide. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.